feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities will never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Been ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah. Run it, I can't can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel a smile.
Hello, hello, hello. How's everyone doing? Got a new backdrop today. Hopefully this internet is a lot better. We'll see. How's everyone doing? Good Monday. Had another 10 pips in the afternoon. Pound dollar. I haven't checked it in a couple of hours now. I am in a trade though. Let's see. Restart. Good old cold espresso. Good morning, Forty. John, Harry. Good afternoon from Indonesia. Hope you're enjoying Bali. Take care of your health because the weather is hot during the day. So true. Plan. Murray, hello. Listening in whilst trading, the background noise. Good stuff. Nashville. The song, Can't Take No Loss. Good morning, everyone. Right, so let's see what's going on. We need to change the screen. I haven't had a few sips of coffee yet, and the change of scenery has, it's gonna take some time to settle. You might hear Phoenix in the background, you might hear my son at some point. But we've got to work with what we got. Here we are. We're currently in a drawdown of $42, this is. Took the previous high. Quite happy to short from there. It's currently finding this level now, so my next position to start thinking of adding into this will be this area here, 1276. If we look at this on a 4-hour, I know a lot of people will be seeing this as a breakout. It's a bit windy here as well. Exactly to the level, and see how it reacts. These are my scruffy levels. Pound dollar is on a 4-hour order block. PDH taken, waiting for 22 mentorship. My only thing about this is the highs here. We haven't been retested yet. 128, I think is a good target that the price can go and find. It would take liquidity from the above here, and it would also push through a crucial Fibonacci level. I'm just gonna put all these as my scruffy levels. And let's see. I did shoulders in the gym today and I'm absolutely exhausted. I think it's a build-up from all the 2.5 weeks now training every day. I'm definitely feeling it. And the 4-hour sleep didn't help. But I want to group these. Come on. Why can't I group these? Because they're different things. That's why. These ones I want to group. Oh, this is cool. I didn't know you can do this. This is cool. So you know how when you're drawing, you can set things to globally or just drawings for this this sheet. So the good news is that I've just realized that you see the little globe there. These are globally, but these are not. But now I can go here and sync globally. So all of them now are able to be synced, which means I can now, where's my horizontal lines? These are all horizontal. This is array, line. All the lines I can go, and that's why now I should be able to save them as a group and rename it as good old Scruff. There we go. Now I can turn them on and off. Perfect. Right, so I did get some time this morning, and I also we're reacting a little bit now there. Let's see, 5 minutes. Obviously, we've got another 40 minutes to the open. So we'll see how this reacts. It has filled a nice little fair value gap there, which is quite interesting. I am anticipating, though, a push to the upside. So this is why I went half a lot. I was considering going into a quarter of a lot, but I think it was high enough for me to be able to manage with the half a lot. So we'll see how that works out and how we're going to manage it. How's everyone? Oh, we're getting close to that 8,500 mark on subscribers. That's pretty cool. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you like and subscribe the channel, guys. That's the only way the algorithm will push us into more people. So make sure we've got 7 likes, so all 40 of you, do me a favor. I'm going to manifest this. Let's go and hit up to 20 likes, at least to the open. And then that's going to manifest even more profits, I'll tell you. It happens. The more likes we have in a day, the more profits we make. It's logical, isn't it? Liked already. Thank you, Murray. Kalimera, the Loyalty family. Wait, are you Greek? Loyalty family? What's your name? I thought you weren't Greek. Good old familiar names. Evan. Just came any entries? Yeah, I did get into an entry here. Right here. Came down, pushed back up. I got entered there to go lower. So that was my entry. Now we have a bit of a break of structure. We came in and hit that high on the daily. Now we're seeing a little bit of a push into this order block here. We'll see if it breaks through. If it breaks through and continues down, that's good news for us. I've got a TP there to get the lows of the whole move. If it doesn't and it goes up, worst case scenario, well, it can go higher, but worst case scenario that I'll be starting. No, I'm Kenyan. Oh, you're Kenyan. Cool. My wife's Kenyan. She's in the background. Whereabouts in Kenya? So, order block has been respected. We'll see now if that's going to push higher. If it pushes higher, it could have a nice little setup for a Judas move. We'll see. Let's add in the where is it? Sessions. Seeing a strong red candle now. Darwin, we closed on 180 yesterday, which is on 30,000. I need to get that 35 minimum. That would be nice. I'm not complaining with a 30k allocation for this month. That would be great. It will push us up to 50,000. We can't be greedy. Holding that order block there. The good news is that the internet is behaving here. That's good news. We shouldn't have any issues, touch wood, for the live. And I don't have to pay $16 using my phone. Hopefully she can push you to come and enjoy the beaches. Good weather. Oh, I've heard a lot about Kenya. I'm looking forward to visiting that side of the world, especially Malindi, where my wife was brought up. Looking forward to all that. Bali was just the intro. Africa's going to be the real deal. All right, we're pushing into 20 likes. That's not bad. That's not bad. Manifestation works. Right, let's see. DXY. I saw a lot of people talking about oil yesterday. We need to analyze that as well. If TradingView is gonna play ball. DXY, I analyzed it. I haven't put the fibs in yet. I need to put the fibs. Come on. Maybe I have another one open. No. Let's close that. Good old Discord. US member 7603. New Vanguard member, welcome. Close Darwin X as we can't see it. Right, what we got in terms of fibs here? Oh, I have put my fibs in. That's good. Well, we're good. We can go on the 15-minute. Back into our entry. That would have been a nice reposition there on that level. I didn't want to take, though, a one lot on that. It would be a similar idea. Hopefully we have a continuation now. This is just a drop of 10 pips. We can see now. Let's have a look at this. We've gone below that level there. We've gone down through the daily fair value gap. So this is quite interesting times, because if this continues lower, you know what's below. So there might be a hunt today for the gap. If that's the case, I might have to put a break even in there. I didn't realize we're that close to the gap. Why is it taking ages? I might. Do I like this position? Decisions. I think we're quite close to the gap. That's the only thing. That I'm thinking about. Let's do this on the 2 screen. This trading view is taking forever. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe my cache from the Safari is a bit full. Good healthy green candle though, that's good. Let's do that. British pound. $4. I think I'm gonna close this. Let me think about this. Let me think about this for another minute or two. This can easily spike up. My ideal entry would be here. That would be my ideal entry. But can I be picky? We're at premium. We hit levels. We haven't got to the gap yet though. But I could potentially just reposition this. Do I think this is going to be the push? You're right, Rafa. Weirdo the Wizard. Liked, wish I could love it. Appreciate that. If we revisit, I think I'm going to close this position. If it does. If it doesn't, that's fine. We'll start repositioning. But if it comes down here, let's close it for like $6 or something. Why? I didn't realize the gap was that close. Good morning about this. Good morning, Fred. My sense is that we're going higher. I think we're going to hunt that gap. This one here. It would make sense. If we hunt this gap, it makes sense that it's going to where I like as well. I don't think we can push. What's this? This is $60 pips. So that could be a once directional for the whole day. So this could potentially be a mini pullback before we start pushing upwards. We are in premium though. This can easily come and find the previous daily high of this mid-range of the fair value gap. That would be good, and that way I would close this. I don't think I like this. Even less, like close it for break even kind of thing. Let's see, 350. That would pay for it. I think it's $2 for half a lot. I always add a little bit more in case there's any slippage or something. Even though this has a nice little break for what? For 2022. Broke the structure, we're at previous daily high, comes back, fills fair value gaps. If you put that on a 15 or 5 maybe, there it is, into the fair value gap now. Has a nice little structure there. I just don't like being this position here doesn't feel good. Especially prior to the open. If we can get this out and then it pushes higher, then I would re-enter. And you might say, why are you re-entering for like 10 pips? You can just reposition that later. But the less exposure I have on my first entry, the better I can manage the trade. So, let's look at, let's keep that on and then put the Aussie dollar in there. Or the euro actually. The euro in a kind of similar situation. It is taking it below the daily range though. It has taken the highs. What's the bigger picture on this? A 50% retracement of this will take us straight into that equilibrium, which is also a monthly fib and levels. So I kind of like this. Where is this and all the other indicators? Oh, I'm debating this. Do I hold this position or just close it? What I could do is just close quarter of it. That would be clever. I think that's what we're going to do. And that way, then we don't have to stress about it. Everything is taking so long. I should have restarted my laptop. Wow. This is the order opening. Alright, let's restart this. Everything is frozen. Nice. Close this. Close this. Try and reopen it. Come on, open up. RSI is kind of saying the same thing. I like it to push up here, but I don't want the position I have now. So if 5 opens, my PC is running on coal right now. If it opens, then I'll just close that position. I don't like it. It's not going to let me though. That's not going to work. Tell you what, let me just close all this. All right, let's see if it opens now. Jesus Christ. There was a wick there. So annoying. That might have closed it. Oh no. Morning, Sarah. What is going on? Oh, I didn't close it. Oh, where's that? Afterwards. Alright, are you gonna let me now do my thing? It's gonna take 10 minutes. So what we're seeing now is this push down gonna be the ICT 2022. So I want 0.25. So in order to me to close the sell, I need to market execute a close of 0.25. It's getting close. Let's close that there. So now we've only got a quarter of a position in. Costs about $7 to close that. But with what's going on with my MT5, I would rather close it. And I want to go on Darwin X. I don't know if I can close it on Darwin X because it's on 0.01. So that would have to close 0.05. And this is what I call risk mitigation, guys. When you don't like something, you don't have to close it, whole thing. You can, I've done a video in the Vanguards where I explain what risk mitigation is. It's basically a way you can manage your risk whilst positions go towards your trade. And let's say you want to hold it, you don't want to close it all, you can close whilst it's going towards that position. But this is nuts now. What is going on? Taking ages. So can I close 0.05 is the question. I should be able to. Yeah, okay, cool. So now we can let it do its thing. Go back to our main account. I would rather take a mini loss than wait for that to hit this one. And then what we can do now is drag this TP away. It's only a quarter, so that would be like, we need to add, so it's filling in the fair value gap now. If it takes the highs, then we'll start thinking to put another position in a normal position. So I've minimized my worst position now just for a discounted price, taking a $7. So overall, if you consider the costs, that would pay about $10, $15 to correct this mistake here, considering the entry of a $4 as well. Let me just check if I've got any TPs on Darwin X. I can't remember. It's gonna take forever. Sorry, I'm not sure why MT5 is so slow today. I think it's my laptop. It needs a restart. But I won't do that because we'll lose the live. So there is a TP. I just need to drag that out of the way. That would do. Go back to the main one. Wow, if I have to make a decision on this, it would take me like 10 minutes to get a price. That's not gonna be good. I was joking about the broker phone calls. Looks like we're in it. Yeah, I think we potentially can come down and take this. I do. So I think we corrected at the right time. I'm anticipating this. And this, something like this. Let's see. But I wouldn't buy into premium in this. But let's have a look at that euro, because that euro looked good. Yeah. Filled that to the pip, and delivered, what's that? 9 pips so far. If I remember correctly, we don't have a lot of news. Your MT5 is lagging too. Okay, I hope it's the MT5 and it fixes itself, because there's no way I can trade like this. What is this? I might have to put a complaint. Morning, Justin. Euro dollar, I do want to see a drop. I do want to see a drop from here to here. Potentially lower. Previous daily low is down here. Sell side is below here. But as long as we don't break this, it's still on an uptrend. Same with the pound dollar, really. Like, we haven't really broken any extreme lows. This was the first attempt here. But then consolidation, pushed higher, created higher highs. We've been going up. So until we've got a concrete plan on this, I'll just wait. And like I said, 128 is gonna happen. Remember this, remember it. 128 is happening. It's coming back down. So what was that? That was so it's 6.75. It was $1 to close 0.25. So minus $7. So let's say, so that will cost another $1 to close. So $7, $8. So if I put this to like $12, that will recover the whole position. I don't like this entry, even if it is the right entry. My analysis is saying don't take this entry, so I might even close it if it comes to break even. Just take a $10 loss on that or something. You know, in trading, guys, there's moments like this, right, where you're in a trade and it's just a few dollars up and down, and you don't like the trade, but for some reason you hold it. Have you been, like, write in the comment if you've done that? You're like, I don't like that I've taken this trade, but I'm in it now, I guess I'm gonna have to keep it. And you don't want to take a few, like, dollars loss, and then there's few dollar loss becomes like thousands and thousands of dollars. Has anyone been there? I certainly have. So when something doesn't feel right, just close the bloody thing. You can outpay that with all the profits that you're going to make from the trade. So there's no reason for you to risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. The only thing that hurts me is the Darwin X, because I don't want to taking losses on the Darwin X, because I don't want to ruin that performance. Hassan says, yes, I have done that many times in gold. Well, there you go. Just close it. I mean, even now I can just close this. All right, it's only $20. Euro USD is good for shorts, I think. Short. Yeah, I agree. I think that top short was good. It was a good setup. That was nice. Look at this. Fair value gap there. That one. Pretty much filled it all. Who's the latest subscriber? I can hear someone coming in. King of... Can't see it. King of King. Welcome. I mean, I can see it. I'm not blind that this is setting up for a nice 2022 setup, right? And everyone's gonna be like, oh, why did you not hold it? It was so obvious. Look, it took out that fair value gap. It took it out and then it's rolled over and given you 40 pips. That's okay. But I've analyzed this. I've also analyzed the DXY, and the combination of these two is telling me to not be aggressive on this. Why? Because we've got a huge gap here. So until we fill this, we can't be taking like full sizes. So I've just decreased it quarter of a size. So we're still like, even if I don't like it, we've still got it. $10 subscribers to hit a big milestone. 8,500 subscribers, considering we had 75 subscribers last year. That's pretty big. I'm glad you're finding this useful and valuable. Come on. 8 minutes. What do we think? What do we think is going to happen during the open? I think we're going to have a little push down, come to this, and then we're going to push up. It looks like it's pushing up already. See the difference? Now we have to deal with a quarter of that position. Even better, I should have closed it completely, but we've still got, you know, it's a quarter of a position. It's not the $50, $100, $200 if it goes 40 pips up. And that's trading. That's managing trades as well. It's never clean. You have to get your hands dirty in terms of how you're going to manage these trades. 23rd, we've got some Aussie news that came in. -1, NAB business confidence. JPY as well, consistent on -1, so that would have been predicted. Thursday, Friday, we've got some news coming. Wednesday looks a little bit not much going on, especially for the pound dollar. let's see. Let's do a poll. Let's see how accurate we are. I'm already in 2022. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Cut your losses fast. This is the secret. Don't stay too long on these trades when you know it is wrong. You're right, absolutely right. If you get a feeling that this is wrong, you should cut it. My feeling is that this can come down. It can come down because we've got this. We're at premium, but I just don't like this. That's the only reason. If this wasn't here, I would be taking this trade for sure. So it has everything lined up for a nice opportunity for me, and I would be able to manage that into 128s up here. But because of that gap, yeah, because of that, I have to wait. Just a day, says Harry. Took a loss because didn't want to close. Yeah, that's a lesson. That's a lesson. When you see something's not working, just make sure you've done your due diligence, you've done your analysis, you're happy with your thought process where you've changed your bias and you're like, nope, this is wrong, it's going the wrong direction, and close it. Wouldn't you rather take like a $50 loss compared to like a $1,500 loss? You can recover a $50 in like a few hours. It's a lot harder to recover 1,500 and on top of that make another 1,500 profit. So you're trying to make $3,000 for an error of a $50 loss. You see how quickly it piles up. Just trying to have another attempt to come down. We'll see what happens. But like I said, if this is my worst position, I'm still not super against it. I'm okay with it. I'm just being very picky now. Big red candle on the 5 minute. Huge. Yanis, your views on Oanda broker starting prop firm challenges. Oanda, I don't know Oanda that much. I can tell you about instant funding. I can tell you about Fivers. I can tell you about Darwin X. Yeah, I'm not sure. Ali. Hello, buddy. Not trading pound here, but my real trade is 127.90s. 127.90s. Let's see where that goes. If you're up there, why not 128? Oh, you're 790. 790. Up to you. Must be something up here. That Ali is balling. Eyeballing. After this liquidity. That's good point, Sigma. When you can see trades in both directions, that's telling you that we're either in two things. We're either in a slow volume and no movement is kind of happening, so you're kind of picking ideas from both directions, or the trade quality is not good. It means that your analysis is not clean. So you just need to wait, come back in like an hour or two, see what the situation is in, and go again. If this pushes slightly down and takes us back to our entry, I'm definitely closing this. I don't like this. Even if it continues lower, I'm gonna close it for like, that's probably damaged my Darwin a little bit, but it's okay. I can take a couple of losses on Darwin X. It's getting closer, so a lot of people will be chasing on Darwin X. They've got 7 days now. They've only got 7 days to hit a location. So people who might be on like 60,000 locations, sometimes they just pull the trigger and try and get 100 or 300. And that's when they burn their accounts, because they get a drawdown of like 10%. Am I still holding the performance on Darwin X? Last night I was 180th, which puts me on 30,000. It's really weird because if I had 0.01% more, it would put me in 35,000. Now I did have I closed it for like half of what my profit is. So that maybe that has a little bit decreased now. I might be on 3% on the month. Good morning, Martin. All the vanguards are piling in. Maybe stop trading to ensure 55,000 funding. Yeah, you're probably right. Probably right. But the thing is, it's only 2% 40k. But I'm aware, so I won't be doing anything silly. That's why I decrease the risk. The Darwin X has actually helped me with my accounts as well. Like the profits might not be insane like they used to be, but my psychology is a lot better. You know, last month, instead of making like 10, 12k, we returned 3.5k, and that's gonna build, but it was so much less stressful. Here we go. That might help us recover this. Where is it? I reached 30k allocation and lost it. Hope I can get back to funding before end of the month. You can, you absolutely can. Because a lot of people are taking some crazy risks toward the end. You can literally just, if you're anywhere close, even just stepping away, it would give you an allocation. Maybe the cable could push up after the London Open Silver Bullet. There are 3 unmitigated swing highs. Well, I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for push back to the previous daily high. That's what I'm waiting for. There. And this here is looking quite bearish. Big candle. I know it's holding, but for me, it's a bit like this. You see these wicks, some green candles, and then it pushed down, took the highs and delivered price. I feel like that's what's happening right now. So we could potentially have a retest here. I just don't like this position. I've said it enough now. Good morning, everyone. Jessica. I have a tiny problem. I wasn't even going to remember January, but I got a new. How do I get back onto Vanguard train? You can. Let me understand this. So you just want to rejoin rejoin, you can just click on the upgrade here. So yeah, that would you can literally just add another card in your payment method. I don't think that would affect you. Let me know, Jessica, and I can find out. Just drop me a message, or Marcel, our moderator. I'm sure we can fix that. You should journal and have a stream, win and loss record, withdraw in the new people. Withdraw in the new people. Yeah, like win losses. I haven't taken a trade yet, so if we do take a trade, we can put it in there. Yes, I have, for like $6 loss. Nasversity, can you show running trades somewhere on screen? It would be easy for us. Yeah, I can. This is the only trade at the moment that I've got on. Yes, bigger picture is looking for longs. I can see the long setup. I can see a little bit of a short push. The only reason I'm holding this is I don't mind it. I can manage this. But if that comes down here, I'll just close this. And wait for the push. This will be the area where I'll be interested again. 127,600s. That would be about 20 pips. So 20 pips on half a lot would be $100. On a quarter of a lot would be $50. So we've negated some risk there. Let's see the world. Still working with reposition. As in you're using repositioning. Let's see the world. How's that been going for you? By the way, guys, we've got 100 people in here and we're still at 35 likes. We can definitely do better than that. At least 50%. We can definitely hit 50. Green candle coming up. We'll see now if we can take the highs. If you're just joining this week, we started on a half lot on this, shorting on pound dollar. Around the area of 127, well, exactly the area of 12736. Bit of a push now. We're getting close, I think. First 15 minutes of the open. We're trying to take the highs. We're trying to take the highs. If we get to the highs, I might even start thinking of replacing that position. We'll see. We'll see. Early doors. Early doors. Good stuff, Jessica. Hope to see you tomorrow in the Q&A. We've got live Q&A tomorrow. No live tomorrow trading because I put all my efforts into the Vanguards tomorrow. And last week's was really, really special. I think a lot of people had a good realization of what they can work on to improve, find consistency, become financial free. Tomorrow is going to be another good one. 10 o'clock UK time. Leslie, good morning. Ali, for me, it's either 12614. 12614. 614. I mean, you're talking about swings here. How many pips is that? 12614. Down here. About 120 pips. In terms of a day trade, I'll be very surprised if we can get there. Especially with no news. But let's see this one. 128. 128 is only 59 pips, so that is achievable. Previous daily low is 1268. Oh, am I still working with the repositioning? Yes. That's my main way of trading. But recently I've been taking good entries. I haven't had to reposition. I'm having a little bit of a push down now. Let's see. First 15 minutes. Let's move it out of the way in case it spikes. I just need to open Darwin X. I don't like this position, so I'm just gonna close it. It might give me the. I might close it positive. Why not? Break the lows. Nice, buddy. Good runner on the gold there. I'm gonna close that. See on the fivers. I'm gonna close that as well. So we're opening with a minus $12. Now let's rediscuss where we're looking for the battlefields, where we're going in. I want to go in here. This is the area I want to get in. I want this to push down. I want DXY to push down aggressively. Looking nice for the short. Potentially, yeah. Yeah. So there's not much there for news. Let's see if PMT plays ball. See what the story is on there. My thinking is that the pound dollar will be about 70% retail traders shorting. That would be my prediction on this. If you don't know, PMT is my terminal that I do all my fundamental analysis on. Well, I don't do it, they do it. I just use it. And you can use the discount Conscious day trader, that would give you about 15%, I think. Or you can just join me live. And what I trade, you see it for free. Bit of strength from the Aussie there. Pound dollar. 12738. Slightly bullish, 4 neutral. What did I tell you? DXM 75%. Let's look at that. So retail people are thinking that the pound dollar will be shorted. What does that mean? That 90% of the time they get it wrong. So there's a 24% of people which are pushing the price up. Who's going to get it right? I just want to see news, if there's anything overall positive or negative news. Overall positive news, look at this. We've got 6 positive papers on this. Obviously, we have to look at where the data is coming from. Action, Forex, FX Street, FX Empire. So, okay, it's not like the Bloombergs, but it gives you a little bit of a... You can see the green of data coming in now, starting to build up a bit of positivity around the pound dollar. So that's interesting. The biggest numbers around it, they've got it as 131. I think 128 is the next big number to be tested. COD data came out on the weekend. We can see that overall dealership, we've got a decrease in long positions. Increase in short positions. That's interesting. I didn't expect that, actually. What do they know? What do they know that we don't? So we have a slight increase. Okay. Let's go back on this. Here comes the red candle. It is looking nice for the short. See the previous daily. Now we're pushing into that. My prediction so far is correct, right? Now we're going to find the previous daily. Daily high. It's finding this highs here. Do I want to trade it upwards towards the 128? I don't think I can in this position. Let's see where we can take part. We'll see if this closes at the 23.6. Obviously this is in an hour's time, so that 5 o'clock candle will tell us a lot. If this closes 23.6 and we have a retest to the upside, then I will be willing to trade this down into this 50%. If it doesn't close and now we get a strong wick and it closes above the 23.6, then I'm more likely trading this after we hit this level here. We're holding now exactly on the previous daily high. We're getting close to 50 likes, guys. I appreciate that. Just 50%, 50% of you like me. That's good. I'll take that. Just kidding. Appreciate all your likes. Let's see if we're gonna see. If we're gonna see if this wick breaks above the 23.6. That is the big question. So far, we're holding. Just want to analyze gold for a second. A lot of people are talking about gold. S&P hit all-time highs. Did you catch up on that? That means our investments are doing well. If you've got S&P into your long holds, you're doing really well right now. Right, let me just mark this quickly. We've got a little gap there. Just noticed that in the 5 minute. Have you seen that? Pound dollar. Put the hour on. We'll see the retracement here. Let's get rid of this one because we're done. The reason I moved that fib is because this is continuation of this move, whereas this is the actual start of the bullish move here. So we're looking to see if that's going to retrace to the 50%. If it retraces to the 50%, is there something we can trade upwards? Potentially, we'll see. Just in the background now, I'm just going to mark up gold. It is an asset that I do want to start be looking at it. I do like gold. I like that it moves. It's got a nice movement on the day. What I don't like is that it moves sometimes a bit too aggressive. So you just have to be careful. Okay, let's do that. Show your cards, pound dollar. Show us what you're doing. Where are we going? Quite a slow open, I would say. Nothing crazy. It's quite a low week, like in terms of news. Nothing like big. No NFPs, no like big movers. 16. Magnets. 2 more minutes, guys. I'll be done with this and I'll show you gold. Interesting. Interesting. There's some key numbers on the gold. I think we'll talk about it now. How many of you trade gold? Who's insane enough? Right, that's probably good. All right, so let's jump on this one. I need to minimize this a little bit. We're still correct. Murray is done. Good job. Murray, have a good day. Right, golds. This is the spot gold from Rwanda. Let's look at the fibs. What's the big fib play? Let's go on here. Get these out of the way. Right. Yeah, this is interesting. It's almost like there's 3 soldiers here that got taken out. Liquidity above this area here was big, and we spiked up and then pushed back down. I just want to see my watch list. So pound dollar has been pushing up. Let me just check where we are. Do I need to put any alerts in? So far, the prediction is holding. One, 2, 7, 5s. I want to know. I want to know when you're there. Good morning, Chris. Let's go back on gold for a second. Let's go on the monthly. So we had this big push here. This one. This retraced to 61%, the golden zone. So that's pretty much done. Now, this was the biggest player in terms of a fib. This one here. However, we broke the highs. And it had retraced to 50%. So that was pretty done as well. Now that move is a new move. So we can't really look at that move at all. What we can do though is look at this, because that drop there from that high to that low, it's a good move. So what we're going to do is change that to an extension. And what we also want to do, reverse the extension. And then we can see potential upside. Monthly fib. Now what I also want to see is this move. That move retraced to 50%. So it's another interesting area there. So we've got this zone here, 2200 to 2240. Pound dollar 0.22. I can tell it's moving, but not moving enough for me to be interested yet. Aussie dollar is moving on the upside. We'll come back to the gold in a second to continue the analysis. But for now, Aussie dollar is a bit in no man's land at the moment. This was good. JPY, that's a nice push there. DXY, still, like we said, I want to see a hold below the daily fair value gap and then a continuation down. That's what I want to see. Let's go back to pound 1 second. Back on the 23.6. We want to see if the hour, what did I tell you? Are we going to close above or below the 23? We're exactly back at 23 now. That will tell us a lot. We've got half an hour for that. But let's continue on the golds. So now we've got our potential. If this is going higher, we've got areas where we can target up there. What about the downside? This is a bit tough because it's in new territory. So these are predictions for the upside, but from the downside, it's a bit of a tough one. So we can look at the last leg that got completed there, and we'll change that into a retracement. We can see this move here retraced to 38.2. So it hasn't retraced fully to the 50%, which means I'm going to take the whole move and we're going to hypothetically say that this is the high of this move. So if this is the high of this move, then I can start putting in these ones, which you can see there it's holding. We broke below the 23, found the 23 again, and now it's pushing down. In the words of the rough guide, 80% of the time when this happens, this retraces back to the 50%. So we've got those levels in. And it's highly likely when we turn on our scruffy levels that these are going to line up. Look at that. Scruff is the man. So let's look at this from a daily perspective. Go back on the daily. What's going on in the pound? 25, pushing a little bit higher. I'm looking at this change here, so I don't have to look at the chart. I can tell where we are. We're at 127.40s. So 41 pretty much is where the battle is happening. 0.25% up. Dollar index should be pushing down 0.27. We'll see that into the 40s, then we'll get interested. How are we doing on the likes? Let me just check before we continue. We can do better. We can do better than 54. We can beat that number. I think the record so far is 84 likes. I think we can beat that. Back to gold, analyzing gold. So put our dailies in. 2 lines in, previous daily low, previous daily high. Get the fib on so I can find the midpoint. Equilibrium. Attempts to the 3/5s, 3/7s, 3/8s, and then we get rejections. And now we're gone from a premium starting to push down. Now, if this is a down push, we know where potentially we can get back to 20s. If this is to the upside, and I appreciate the reactions, I am seeing them, all the 100s and the hearts, appreciate you. Then we're going to see we've got a big imbalance here, fair value gap there, which has been tapped into, but we've got a nice area here that hasn't been in yet. And if we put that on the daily, we've got that in there as well. Now, I think we've got everything in. That's fully ready. Now we just need to switch on some scruff levels on there. Yeah, I would be interested around here, this area here, or here, but I wouldn't get involved yet, me personally. Pound dollar has done, look at that, 15 minutes that way, 15 minutes that way. It's holding at the 23. I don't think we've closed. Where are we? We're trying to see if we're going to close below the 23. I'm still going to be looking for shorts. If we close above the 23, I'm going to be waiting for shorts, but I'm going to be waiting for this retracement. Appreciate that, guys. I know a lot of people stay quiet, and normally the people that are staying quiet are the people that are paying attention. And unfortunately, the algorithm works with more comments and more likes. That's how it works. The more noise in a channel, the more they promote it. Pushing above 23, but I am glad this is useful and helpful, TB. It's done exactly what we said so far. Look at that. It wouldn't have given us massive profits. It's literally, I'm glad I took this close. It would have given us four pips. So yeah, I didn't like this position. You could argue I could have taken this position and improved that. Yes. How's the weather in Bali? Let's have a look. 30 degrees and sunny, as you can see in the background. It's not bad. I don't know if you can see in the background in the rice fields, just here. It is quite hot. Got the air conditioning going. In the background there, you can see the farmers working on the rice fields. It's pretty cool. Here we go, another red candle coming down. It's the battle of the 23.6 at the moment. That's what's going on the pound dollar. Still holding above previous daily high. Why? Because of this bad boy here is a daily gap. Bit of a wick now, trying to retest the daily fair value gap, the midline of it. If you can see that, it comes down to this with an order block here, multiple holds at this level, 103 or 14. It's the first attempt to break above. We're going to see if this holds here. We've got a nice level there. Potentially, my prediction was, have I still got my prediction? That we're going to find this and then sell off. But who knows? Oil started pushing up, didn't it? I did used to trade oil until that was back in the day when I was quite oblivious to the Wednesday news, which literally got rebalancing of the barrels, and that's pretty much the biggest news. If you go on Wednesday, you will see these spikes or gaps, but I didn't know that, so it kind of moved really aggressively and took a big loss, and I've never touched oil since. Breaking below again, 38.2 now. I'll keep that prediction in there. There is a strong attempt to close below the 23, even retraced to the 50 already. Let's see what happens here. If you're just joining, we shorted here. I didn't like this position, so when it came back down, I closed for like a small loss of like $20. Actually, it's less, isn't it? $12. Break even, pretty much. So I'm still waiting to see if this is going to hold below the 23.6, comes back, retests, fails to take the highs. That will be a nice position there. Still holding, still holding. We came back down to this level here. You can see that, to that order block there. This is, if you go on to like 2 minutes, it doesn't look like an order block, but when you go on to like 2 minutes and stuff, you can see the formation of those two candles. So holding now above. Where did that go on DXY? DXY closed above the midpoint of the daily fair value gap and is attacking to find this level here. So we'll see. I think this is going to be reached, and then we need to see a reaction to confirm what we think is going to happen. It's 10 degrees here. I know, right? I don't think I'm ever going to experience a winter. Well, we will for Christmas when we go to America or Europe, but I don't think we're doing that in the next 2-3 years, maybe 2 years, because people would want to come to the hot weather, so they want to come here for Christmas. So happy days. We go for summer to visit family, and they come here for the winter, and we're stuck with hot weather all year round. How are we doing on the likes, guys? Are we liking this channel? Are we liking this live? Let's see. Let's see. 65 likes. We are 20 away from breaking our record. We can do that. We can definitely do that. I think we can do that. We're holding at that midpoint of the daily fair value gap. Pound dollar is also attempting to break the 23.6 aggressively. We've got 15 minutes to confirm this. If this comes back, and we're looking at the hour for this, we want this candle not to close above the 23.6. If that happens, then we can potentially trade this into the 50 and 61.8. If we can risk manage that. Let's see what the likes go to. 70. Nice, guys. Appreciate every single one of you. We are 14 away. 22 degrees in my country, says Chris G. Not bad, eh? Cable is bearish, fair value gap inside the silver bullet sequence. I agree, Brandon. We talked about that. Give me 1 second. Did I change? Yes, I did. Look at this guy. Hey. There he is. Let's come to say hello. What are you expecting pound dollar to do? Okay. Okay. You want it to go lower? There you go. You got the prediction for Phoenix. We are going lower. Good old Phoenix. I'm just laughing at the reactions of you guys. Dun. Let's look at some indicators. I can see JR VWAP reaction. I'm used to the scruffy stuff, so I look at RSI and Bollinger Bands. Not when I analyze, but when I've analyzed something and then I'm actually starting to be like, oh, is this interesting? Then I just throw it in and see where I am. So I can see there on the Bollinger Band or on this the RSI where we are. Still going, the guys, their reactions. I think I need to bring more Phoenix. My prediction so far has failed. We're back down below. Let's see. Let's close this. Remove these indicators. I thought we're going to be holding this and pushing up. We'll see. If we close on the next 10 minutes below the 23, I'm going to be waiting for a retracement to the 23 and then potentially trade it down. You guys are funny. DXY, let's see gold. What did we talk about gold? It's been holding. We're seeing, this will be a nice area to see a reaction there. 2042. That will be interesting. Holding above the 38 now. This was the gap as well on the 5 minute, I believe. Let's see. I think we've just filled the gap there. You see that? We've successfully filled it. 10 minutes to see if we're going to break below the 23. We're looking at the hourly candle. This is the hourly candle here. Don't be surprised if this comes and holds above the 23.6. If we see a strong wick formation now, all the way up here, then that would give me a strong indication that we are going towards the upside, towards the 128s. Retracement though might happen before the 10 minutes. Look at this. This is interesting. You can hear Phoenix in the background. Hi, Costadina. Pound broke the LTH. I'm totally bullish right now and will long from discount. The lower time. What's LTH? Lower time. My acronyms. I need to update my acronyms. Do you mean the previous daily? Is that what you mean? For me, I would still want to see a push down for me to be bullish. But I am anticipating, I'm kind of sensing a long-term high. Okay. So you're saying it took a long-term high here. So you want to see the long-time high be taken, and then you're bullish? Come on, Finny. I think he's hungry. 8 minutes. 8 minutes to find out. We're looking for that retracement now to 0.5. This is interesting. That average, moving average of the Bollinger Band is exactly at the 61.8. Pushing down, that means the DXY has been having a push up. We're still waiting. That 61.8 retracement looks like it will be this level here. So that will be interesting to see what we do. Let's see that push. What are we on here? 103, 193. Let's see that push. Push. Pound dollar is retracting. Now that would have been a good trade, would it? Let's see. 9 pips, about 10 pips. ICT 2022 worked well. I just didn't like the risk of that move. Oh, I do like this though. It's just a nightmare again. Just gonna go half a lot there. I do like this starting point here at equilibrium. Might be a bit early, but we can manage this. Right, let's see the management now. Let's take out the indicators. Hello, Phoenix. You come to confirm the trade. He's attacking everything. Wait. Wait. test. Oh, it might be working now. Are we back? All right, all right. Blame Phoenix for that. Just destroyed the mic. Okay, let's analyze this. Rian, have a great day, everyone. Thanks again for the live, Yanis. You're very welcome. So the reason I got in here, it's a bit early, but I liked it. So when I like something, like the reverse of the pound dollar, right? When I like this retracement in here to the 50. That's about 10 pips to there. Probably about 20 pips to the high. And we can start thinking about different positions there. So. Brandon, do you follow internal swings to plot potential price action movements? I look at swings for sure with fair value gaps, and I like analyzing moves in blocks. Well done, Hassan. Yeah, that was a nice move on the pound dollar. Well done for catching that. I bearish on euro as it's in daily bearish fair value gap. I'm bullish on pound. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look on what we're doing here. We're getting close, guys, to the likes. 78, just 6 to reach to break our likes from yesterday. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Coming into a level now. We'll see what happens here. I won't add anything here for sure because we've got a nice fair value gap entry here. Look at me trading euro dollar. Eh? This is the first euro dollar trade of 2024. Into that level now. We'll see how it reacts. We're going to melt through it or we're going to hold. Pushing in, let's see where we go. We got this here. Into the 61.8 now. Retracing. We've got that fair value gap on the 76.4. I do kind of like this. Let me see. Tempting to get to the 76.4 now. Nice, Rafa. What do I think of 108.444? Where Where is that? Down here. This swing low here. I mean, all swing lows, medium swing lows and intermediate swing lows have bearing. Like this will be a valid. We need to look at this at here. We need to look at this at here. We need to look at this at here. This was, let's see, from the entry. This will be about 40 pips down there. So that would be, with a half a lot, about $200. So if I add another one in here, that will be, I might add my full lot on this move here. And that will be my first idea, how to manage this. Let me see, getting close. There is quite a tight range on the day. What's this? It's only 29 pips. So we could potentially wait for the low sweep. That's 40 pips. If we break the 76.4. Should see a spike now. A little bit more. Hey. Phoenix is like, you've passed the 5 o'clock limit. Why are you still there? Let's go and play. Nice little fair value gap there as well on the hour. So if you think about it like this, my normal size is 1 lot. So I thought it was a bit early, so I took half a lot. So now I can add another half. Wherever I add the other half, that's going to improve my position by 50%. So it's like moving my break even down lower. So it will be roughly below the 61.8 to be break even. If I think that this can break the lows, then I can use my other half lower below here. And that would give my first full lot position roughly around 76.4 as an average. Let's see what's going on DXY. Okay, we've had an attempt to break the weekly level here. It's gone. Oh, that changed. It's gone higher. Where is it? We've gone higher. This is a retracement now. Let's have a look. 61.8, 76.4. might be a nice interesting area. 103, here it comes, start pushing. I think now we're going to start attempting to get that gap closed. Didn't come down enough yet to get my second entry in. Can you recommend a legitimate prop firm company? Yes, Fivers, for sure. They're legit. I've had payments every month coming through, no problems ever. Maybe a few delays once or twice, but that's because they would change the system. But full communication, really open. Always pay 75% of the profits, like it's agreed. Darwin X, I haven't done a payment yet. I will tell you when we get closer to getting payments. Hey. Hey. It's just like literally 1 pip, and that would have been able to potentially reposition this, but I don't like when this happens because you lose the opportunity to decrease risk by like a few pips. But then if you get it early and you get a little bit of a slippage, that might give you another 5 pips up, and then it's too tight, and if you push down you pretty much pound average in the same position. So it looks like the dollar index is trying to push below. We're having another attempt now. What did we close on the pound dollar? We closed below. There we go. Look at this, guys. Oh, come on, guys. I mean, we called it to the pip. Oop. If it closed below the 23, highly likely it goes to the 50 and 61 to the pip. I was too focused on, what is it? It's only 15 pips though, I couldn't take that. Now we're retracing. Phoenix needs attention. Yeah, in terms of prop firm, I wouldn't be in any American prop firm right now. It would be scary to be in an American prop firm town. FTMOs, you know what happened with MFF. Yeah, I would be scared to have big money in US prop firm. Fivers are in Israel, and they don't do iffy stuff like MFF. They have proven to me to trust them. So until otherwise, I've learned to trust people that are honest, and you know, they've even been honest that they may make a big part of money comes from people failing challenges, and that's a big business. Because if you have 20,000 people failing on, well, let's make it easy, 10,000 on $100, that's 100 grand right there, easy money. And when you know that 90% of the people fail, that's a good business. And yes, you can use some of that money to pay us, who are profitable in there. That's how the business works. So I've added the same position here on Darwin X. So we're down, what's that? That's half a lot, so roughly 7 pips. On Darwin X, I'll keep this tight. I will go one more reposition, but I'll probably go down here. If that doesn't work, I'll just kill it. I definitely want to get my 25K at the end of this month. If I have an amazing trade and get 30, 35K, That will boost my account to 50 grand. That'll be great, 55 grand. FTMO scammed me with a few times with lag. I mean, lag is an interesting one. Could be in your internet. Am I looking for longs? I am in a long on euro dollar at the moment. I've got one position in. I was looking to reposition at 76.4, but it didn't give me that. Simulated funds, yeah. So in the fivers, your simulated funds are your challenges. When you get your accounts, like my account now, it's a real account. You'll see that on the top there. This is a real 250,000 account. There's still enough room to go down to give us another entry. We've got plenty of room here. Just holding above that midline there a few times. Big red candle. So the big question for me now will be, do I reposition at 76.4 or do I reposition lower? Do I reposition at 1618, which is this swing? So that will be 43 pips. So that would just be 43 pips will be $200. So $200, yeah, that's, I can definitely reposition earlier. Pound dollars hit the 61.8. Are we gonna retest this, or are we attempting to go and find the equilibrium and lows? If we think of ICT, this was a nice, great entry, delivery of price, can go all the way down. No reason why not to. Euro dollar. Little green candle there coming. I'm looking tired today. I'm so tired. Honestly, I slept 4 hours yesterday. And then my gym partner, I was like, oh, I'm a bit tired. It's like, no flipping way. We've got shoulders to go through. I'll post it on Instagram soon. But yeah, we did what we were doing. We were lifting. We were doing push press for like 60 kilos, and then strict press for like 40 kilos, 5 reps. Oh, I'm just exhausted. Even this coffee is not doing much. Hey, look at the subscribers, guys. We should celebrate that. 8,500 subscribers. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's celebrate it with some of these. That will boost our mood. Rafa, what is your daily bias on euro? I'm in long, so my bias is long. I never go against my bias. Very rarely. This would have been a great reposition. If you had given us that few pips here, I would have repositioned that and decreased risk massively. But I don't like this when this happens, because sometimes it does that and then you're stuck with this position and then it continues lower. But I don't like missing repositions. This would have been a perfect reposition. Oh well. But I couldn't take it because it didn't validate my reposition yet. So that's okay. Everyone press like. Go on, Rafa. Appreciate that. Oh, we're matching. We're matching yesterday's likes. 84 likes. Holding above the 61A, we'll see. We'll see what's happening. We didn't get... this is what I don't like. I just wish that had repositioned this position. Now we'll be sitting here. So much more comfortable. But now, because we didn't get positioned here, and it has repositioned my first entry, can I afford, if this comes back down, to try again? Because it's already delivered that price once. So it's a bit tough. So now I might have to wait for a full retracement on the second for my second reposition, if that makes sense. People in the Vanguard would know what I'm talking about. Didn't hold that monthly, and now we're trying to push above the weekly. Still looking weak, not gonna lie, still looking weak, even though in the 1 hour it looks like this. On the 15 minutes, still looking weak. We would want to see to hold above this line, red line there, break above the equilibrium. But this 76.4, did I do my fib wrong? Can't believe it didn't touch the 76 for there. Still holding, strong wick. That doesn't tell me anything yet until I see these greens. Doesn't tell me anything. It still can easily push down. Instead of having one lot now in, we've got half a lot. That's a bit annoying. It's a bit annoying. But what can you do? Five minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna start thinking about cooking Leo's dinner. What's this? Attacking the highs will be about 20 pips, I think. And that will be 25 pips. Is your daily bias for euro the same as GU? Oh, it depends. On the euro, this idea came from actually the monthly chart. these retracements, let me just turn off some lines. Oh, actually I can't do that, it will hide everything. Actually maybe I could. So that red line that you're seeing is a retracement from a monthly push down. So that there to there, that's the 50% retracement. We've broken the 23, we're pushing higher, we're finding the 50, and that's when I was like immediately, yeah, I'm happy with this price. Don't even need to see price action, because this is coming from higher up. So my brain goes, yeah, I can trade this to there. That makes sense. And then when I go down to the 15 minutes, put these on again. That's the 50% I was talking to you about. You can see it there. Just turn it off now. So we still haven't retraced to a 61. And if it was to retrace to a 61 to the upside, this will be a nice area to get involved. But still, like I said, this needs to hold. If it doesn't hold, it can easily retrace back down. And that's okay because we can get better price. My only thing that I'm a bit annoyed with is that I could have easily repositioned this. Ugh. That hurts, because now my position will be down here. But that's okay. Just have to deal with a little bit less, about 30 pip. Was it 30 pip? What's this? $10 pip. Oh, 10 pip is not too bad. I'm just being critical with myself. We're holding above the 61 still. What is for dinner? I'm on the cut, so everyone is eating the same dinner as me, unfortunately. They're going to be having steamed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, rice, chicken. I like putting some paprika on the chicken, salt, pepper. That's what everyone is eating. They're all going to get fit like me. If you've been watching my Instagram, which is Conscious Day Trader, as my name, copy my name into Instagram and that'll pop up. You'll see all the training I do. To the gym I go here in Bali. Mondays is pretty much leg days. Horrendous, really painful. Then Tuesdays we do shoulder workouts, but it's more compound. It's like Olympic lifting. Then we go Wednesday. I've got boxing. Good old boxing, kickboxing. Thursdays, back. Fridays, what do we have on Fridays? Chest, more like bench press and stuff. And hopefully all that helps with our big movements like power cleans and all that stuff. And Saturday kickboxing. I have one day off, Sundays. Try biryani. Love a biryani. So good with cashew. Oh, really good. Love a biryani. And we have some good Indian here. Alright guys, this is looking like it might take some time, which means I have to go and make dinner. Good stuff. Today we did find a good trade on the pound dollar, but we did close it because I didn't like the position. So we're fighting now. We've paid $16 for a bad entry. And now we're in the euro dollar long. We'll see how that plays out. You can follow me on Instagram on Conscious Day Trader. Also, if you want to join us, make sure you click on the link above, the pinned link, and it says upgrade to the Vanguard. And that's where you're going to see me tomorrow. Live Q&A, normally 2 hours, about 10 o'clock UK time. And I do a presentation as well on a theme. Could be multiple things tomorrow. Can't remember what I've got scheduled. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you like the stream. I'm gonna have a look now at what we hit today. Hopefully it's been a breaking records. And I won't see you tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be a video though. And remember to go and watch the video. Tomorrow's gonna be a cool video. And then Thursday live, Friday live, same time. Pre-market UK. I know it's a bit early for America, but that's what we can do. Trade safe. Make sure you have all your risk managed. Don't go too crazy with positions. And I'll see you on tomorrow for the video and Thursday live.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem getting better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda.